You can see my bags right there. That's my Anafi bag. Right here. This over here is my Evo bag. So we'll be flying that in a few minutes. I just want to fly this up and down the beach just to get a little bit of scenery. And I believe that I've got everything 4K 30. I don't see HDR or anything, so I should be good there, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to spin around here. And you can see right there is the Gulf. There we go. Alright, so here, I'll take it up just a little bit. We'll tilt the gimbal down just a hair. And I'm just going to take it down the beach a little ways. You can watch the waves. Alright, now I'm just going to bring her back the other way. Right back towards us. And I got it on sport mode and I'm moving. And this is at 4K 30. So how does that look? I hope that looks good. Tell you what I'll do is I'm gonna spin it around here. And we'll just go right over the water, kind of down along the beach here. Yeah, about like so. I'll just take it a little ways. Okay, and now right there I'm going full out. That's a full tilt. Alright, let's spin her back around. Alright, then we'll come back up, right back towards me. Let's see, let's get it spun a little bit here. I didn't have it spun just quite right. Now let's go full tilt. Okay, now I'm going to do an RTH here, and then I will show you also. I took off from a little square I just kind of drew with my foot in the sand. This is very strong interference. All right, so it's on green at least. It says stop RTH, so it should be coming home. Okay, it's definitely moving in. Put the camera down to where I can see. Okay, that should be me down there. Okay, it's definitely coming down. That's my car there. And I will see. I'm going to show you. I'm going to stand right beside where I took this thing off from. And we'll see how close it gets. Well, it's stuck at 109 feet. I'm going to hit land. Okay. It's going to be a little ways off. Okay, y'all. I just flew my Anafi. And I want you to look up here on the top left of the screen. It says aircraft in no fly zone. Flight denied. This is not supposed to happen. I just flew the Anafi perfectly fine on this beach, and I have flown on this beach before. So I'm going to restart this whole thing. Oh, and on my screen there also, on my controller, it actually said no fly zone. So I'm going to kill the app. Check your charger connection. What are you talking about? Okay, seem to adjust that at least. Aircraft in no fly zone. Flight denied. So there you go. I just rebooted everything, and it tells me I cannot fly. Here, what the heck? Let's see if it'll even start up. Okay, it started up. Okay, this is bizarre. It lifts off the ground. Okay, that's just weird. That is weird, I gotta say. Alright, let's flip this thing out here. Let's go out to the water. Take it up a little. Alright, so I'm out at the water. So now I'm just going to take it down to the left like I did with the Anafi. Let's see. Get it straight as I can anyway. Get it up a little bit. Now that's it, full tilt right there. That's full tilt. Okay? Now let's come on back. And let's see what this looks like. Alright, I'm going to lift it up a little bit. I'm going to take it right back out over these waves. Alright, so there you can see the waves now. So we'll just slowly fly her in here. Get some good shots of the waves. Alright, now let me just face it down the beach here. Let's pick the gimbal up a little bit. Now I'm just going to shoot it right down this way, just like I did the Anafi. I got it going full tilt right now. Alright. Now we're going to spin it around. And there we're spun. Now I'm just bringing her back full tilt again. Just got to get a little straighter. Turn her in towards me a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to keep going right down the way here just a little bit. Alright, far enough. Now let's just spin her around. I'll bring her right back. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit return to home. Here she goes up. And we'll see. I will go over and stand by this box where it took off from and see if it gets any closer than the Anafi. All right. There she is. She's turned around. Here, I'll give you a shot of the water there. And then now she's coming down. Let's just get back onto the land. All right. Now it should be landing right here. And it's not. Okay, it's gotten, well, a little bit closer, I guess. But to be honest with you, it's about 5 feet off. So the precision landing still needs some work. So there you go. All right, hope you like these videos.